bogongah gating sniaw dia gating ito gatu ka session pamadinin ka order yung gobernador yung kamikilia od jadi yung election ka posia tahadin wada out result yung posia dan jabuma tombar siwan kau siya motume yung ka Janji District Council seniau susi yawang seniau dia wa haga jingi ta wa ka felicitation program ko dia cimpatagi member mumi da ha ora channel yang di press wa the media kargam ta ni ga por Kwah open bena wa gi gi ye ura da be klami ndin ga sni opposition yang ga janji la autonomous district council tak uya kami di channel yang di press media senang lah nongshong senang yang janji listrik orang kopi uya jingce kaya gua ini ada biar kritis kaya gua ada ekspresi kampanye ini kaya gua fokus di kecing itu gua wanra ya ga imsuk imsan changsuk changsai ni te wanra yaitu ikoi penjuang ke developmental wang kamjau lah uan penbian ketika contribution orang haram yang kenang wang inok cak senang wang kanjian distrik orang ubi yuman gigi bro kiwa sok pesan kiwa kai dokumen akan digapar tua awam ke cingklam mendingesni ke felicitation program ke win ke cingmut Kwah kematam pada cimpetai jingi tak wa felicitation program yang tombar simat roman la dan dep sajet ka sia motume yang janji district council ne benta kenika senam arjar arpausan beka full time ado senam arjar lepa dekat bante cimpetai ka kenika kom ngalu wine Woi cimbenta haga jingi tok ko felicitation program temot wano pensia ne benta I jingche wan rai sagi nongshong shnong jong janji district ora gobi teman ko kamni pom ngaklama degu ango kamni ne I am very thankful to Sri Tombar Siwan newly elected CEM of the August round of JHADC this year 2025. Today is the great day for Master Tishiwat who will be back to the post of Chief Executive Member of this council through this August round. Being you are an experienced member, you have a sufficient knowledge. I have high expectation you can run a better administration of Janji Hill District Council. Then Sri Tishiwat, Honorable 4th consecutive term, elected MDC from Natyang area. Master Siwat, Honorable CEM, elected to the said post 3 times. This time, sir, you came this prestigious post as a real veteran. You have learned a lot of experience in the council. You continue the CM post till date more than 1 decade. I have high expectation you make sure in a good policy with your team colleague in the executive committee. These are the priority I have to mention below. First priority is the top priority codification of Kwah community and exceptionally BAT community as well. It is very most important for codification through district council for the Kwah community and at the same time for BAT community as well. Master Siwan, try your level best for restoration the administration of the council in a smooth functioning. Let the people of Janji Hill will be happy in your leadership. Try to control the leakage of revenue in the council. Whatever happened the last 6 years is a trouble for the council employee. The council could not pay the salary of the council employee the last 6 years. Then, right from today onward, please try your level best to make it for smooth functioning of the machinery in the council. Being you are a veteran as a member of the district council, Janji Hill. We have a highest producer in mineral resources and forest produce also. Why not? The last 6 years is a financial crisis all along the time. I urge Master Tambosiwan, you are the first in command. Please work hard and run once again in a smooth functioning to run the administration and the machinery of the council as well, and should be enough to do and try to level the pending salary of the council employee pending more than a year area. Then I am very happy with you, but I am one of the member in this Sakasam, is a veteran politician in the district politics, and at the same time one of the veteran leader in the Janji Hill District Council. Then I assure you will be the one to do from today onward. Let under your leadership, Master Tambosiwan, then the people of Janji Hill will be happy. And then next, Master Siwan, being you are the head of the council, you make sure you are in the first command in power in the executive committee. Please work hard for the implementation and bring bigger centrally sponsored scheme from the Finance Commission of India and frame the concept paper this time in different criteria of scheme, and project sector also should be done from time to time in this term, full term within a 5-year plan recommended by the Commission of India. One of the developmental work I have assured you can do that. Please frame the detailed project report based on the concept paper of Merchant Protected Forest in Janji Hills, in West Janji Hill District, in collaboration of tourist spot area. That location is situated in Warjantia under the jurisdiction of Jaran village in West Janji Hill District. This is the best location for in collaboration of tourist spot area. Not only from India, not only from the northeastern state, not only the people in the surrounding area in the state of Meghalaya, but the tourists will come from abroad, from the western countries like America, Australia, etc. That is one of the income generating activities to the Janji Hill Autonomous District Council, and will create the employment to the educated youth also. That is the best. We have to construct the resort. To be constructed, the resort is more than 100 100 room in that area, and with a beautiful suitable area for in collaboration of tourist spot area, and at the same time with a beautiful resort, a beautiful location like the same as a natural one in Warjantia, West Jantia Hill, that is Shnong. Master Kiwat, this time I'm not to take too much time in this sound, but Almighty God given to you in a good health and the best wisdom for the future course of Panar community with a BAT community. Let the people of Janji Hill is happy from your leadership through the Janji Hill Autonomous District Council. Within this reward, I conclude my focus for the present or the current executive committee. I hopefully, from your leadership, Master Tishiwan, I assure you can do better than earlier and better Janji Hill. Within this report, I conclude. I thank to each and everyone. Thank you.